Namaskar.
Addressing the BJP's Foundation Day today, Prime Minister Narendra Modi took aim at dynasty-run parties and claimed that such parties had snatched opportunities from the youth of India. In a clear dig at the opposition and without naming any one party, Modi said that there are two kinds of politics in the country. One stands for Parivar Bhakti and another for Rashtra Bhakti. He said BJP was the only party that made this an election issue and alerted the people to the problems of family-run businesses in politics as they cover up corruption and misdeeds of each other, even though they may be active in different states, the Prime Minister said. He noted why the 42nd Foundation Day for the BJP was an important milestone. The first is that it coincides with the country's 75th year of independence, he explained. The second reason is the rapidly changing global conditions, the changing global order, he added. The third reason is equally important. A few weeks ago, the double-engine governments of the BJP have returned in 4 states. He urged party workers, MPs and MLAs to live and work for one India. From Kashmir to Kanyakumari, from Kutch to Kohima, BJP has been strengthening the resolve of Ek Bharat, Shreshtha Bharat. In another significant statement that has context in the global developments, the Prime Minister said, "Today, India can raise its issues and concerns on a global forum without fear or pressure. The India of today stands firm for its interests without any fear or pressure when the world is divided into two opposite poles. India is being seen as a country which can speak firmly of humanity," he said. Subscribe to One India channel and never miss an update.